Hi guys, I'm sysadmin SK. In this video, we are going to see how we can create a backup job, how you can schedule a job, how you can make a job, and the backup will be how you can assign the storage to the backup. Everything we'll see. For this, we have to just double click on our backup console because we want to log in it with our credential. So I'll just click on it. It asks you to connect. We'll just connect it. Now, always keep in mind it works on the local credentials, so don't take your backup server. I'm talking about the Vim backup. Don't take it into domain. Change the host name is good, but don't take it to domain. And don't use the domain credential to work on it. So I'll just go click on backup job. So I'll click on backup job, virtual machine because we have virtual machines with us. And I'll keep it as a backup job one. I'll just select next. I'll add the virtual machine. So this is the option, VMs and templates. Now if I'll click on it, so I'll simply drop down. So I'll be getting on the virtual machine. So what I'm doing, I'm adding both the virtual machine, adding Jira, which is my vCenter, and this is my test server. So I'll next. Now restore point I'm keeping as a default 7 days, and I'm working on my this repository and keep certain full backup longer for archival process. So what I will do, I'll just keep the weekly backup. Okay, and 1 week I have did it on Sunday, so everything is done. I'll go next. This is enabled if you have any application or you are doing AD and all, so you for this you need it, but for this VM you do not do anything, just go next. This is the run option. This is daily backup, monthly backup, and periodic backup. How backup you want to take it. What I will do, I'll keep at night 10 a.m. every day the daily backup. And what about the monthly backup? I'll take a monthly backup for Saturday month, and you can do for all the months. So I have done for all the months. If you want a periodic backup or a continuous backup, so if you want every 15 minutes, if you want every 15 minutes backup shoot, if you want it should do continuous backup, you can keep. If you want it for the army hour backup, if every hour the backup shoot, you can, or you can schedule your backup from here. What day you want to schedule, you can do it from here. So that can be done from here. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking a daily backup as this, and if your backup failed to take a backup, then it will retry failed item processing 3 times and wait before each retry. It waits for the 10 minutes, and after that first backup done, then if it is not getting done or something goes wrong or something happens, it is not accessible, then it waits for the 10 minutes and try for the next. If in second time also not accessible, it waits for the 10 minutes and again accessible. And now we'll go for the apply option and just go to the finish. So in a backup option, you will be able to see our backup. So now you can see this backup is done. So you come to know the backup is very simple. In the next video, I'll show you how you can run the backup and how you can see the backup is happening or not. So there are two objects. I'll show you in the next video how you can run the backup. So for this, please be with me. Please subscribe, share to all. If you understand, if you like it, please subscribe. Thank you.